Easily add watermarks to your photos with Pixillion. Start by adding your images to Pixillion. On the Edit tab, click the Watermark dropdown. Select Watermark Image or Watermark Text. Upload your watermark image or type in your desired text. Adjust the properties in the panel and then click Close. On the main screen, select your output format and then click Convert. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to add a watermark with Pixillion. Pixillion allows you to easily add both text and image watermarks to your converted images. To begin, open Pixillion and add your images by clicking Add File, or simply drag and drop them into the program. Next, go to the Edit tab and click the Watermark button. The drop-down that opens has two options, Watermark Image and Watermark Text. If you want to add an image watermark, select Watermark Image from the drop-down menu. The Image Effects dialog will open. Click on the button with the three dots to browse to the watermark image you want to use and select it. Adjust the size of the watermark using the size slider and fine-tune the opacity with the opacity slider. For low-resolution images, choose Sharp Square Pixels in the Filter dropdown. If you're working with photographs or scanned images, smooth, blurry pixels may work better. Use the Alignment button to position the watermark on your image. You can see the positioning in your preview. For fine adjustments to the positioning, use the offsets. Increase offset X moves your image to the right, and increase offset Y will move your image down. When your watermark is ready, close the Image Effects dialog by clicking the X or Close button. All changes will be saved. If you prefer to add a text watermark instead of an image, select Watermark Text from the Watermark dropdown. This will open the Image Effects dialog again. Enter your text in the top field. Select a font from the Font drop-down menu. To adjust the size of the text, select Width or Height from the Dimensions drop-down. Choose whether to set the size in pixels or percent. The opacity slider allows you to control the transparency of your text. You can also change the text color by clicking the text color box and selecting your preferred color. If you'd like to add a background to your text, click the Background Color checkbox and choose a color, or opt for an outline by selecting the Outline Color checkbox. Use the Alignment button to position the text as desired. Then close the Image Effects dialog when you are finished. Once you've added your watermark, select your desired output format for the images on the main screen. Be sure to click Select All on the Home tab toolbar to apply the watermark settings to all of your images. When you are ready, click the Convert button to process the images. After the conversion is complete, click Open Output Folder to view your watermarked images. For more Pixillion tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.